Get ready to experience a whole new level of customization and control with iOS 18. Apple's latest update lets you make your iPhone truly yours. Let's dive into the top features that make iOS 18 a game changer. First up, style your app. Tired of the same old look? Now you can personalize your app icons and themes to match your vibe. Want a sleek, minimalist aesthetic or something bold and colorful? It's all possible with just a few taps. Next, customize Control Center. Add, remove, or rearrange your favorite tools. Need quick access to your smart home gadgets or that new focus mode? Customize it exactly the way you want. Lock screen looking a little cluttered? iOS 18 lets you swap out your look screen controls so you can keep only what matters, whether it's widgets, notifications, or shortcuts. Ever wish you could talk to your iPhone like it's your best friend? With Say It Your Way, you can teach your iPhone to understand and respond in your unique style. It's personal and it's fun. Sometimes words just aren't enough. With iOS 18, you can react with the perfect emoji. Whether you're LOLing, sending love, or just giving a thumbs up, there's always the perfect emoji for every moment. Busy day ahead? Now you can schedule a message and send it exactly when you want, whether it's a birthday wish or a meeting reminder. Never miss a beat. And for that extra layer of privacy, iOS 18 allows you to lock or hide an app. Whether it's your notes or photos, keep your personal stuff secure from prying eyes. With iOS 18, the power is truly in your hands. It's not just an update, it's the ultimate way to make your iPhone work for you. Ready to take control? Upgrade today and experience the future of iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, updates, and all things Apple.